This is going to stretch the limits of our abilities.
Coming down? Yes, sir. Down? Yes, sir. My fingers. Hang on here. What about there? A little bit more, a little bit left? Yeah. All right, laddie. I hand you. Irish Sputnik. Let's go. Alright. Now what are we doing? Down, up. You gotta grab that little fender or radiator strut there. Kind of pull out a little bit. Come in and down. Come in and down? Yeah. Come on down. Okay. Come on down. Hey, you gotta come this way. Oh. Damn. Oh, of course you give me one with no good battery in it.
2 hours later.
Can we go in anymore, or are we kind of stuck?
Well, you can go in, but you're into the. You got about 2.5 inches. That's it.
So if we drop it down, can we get into it or not?
No.
So what we have a problem? You said.
It's almost like Weight Watchers.
Yes.
It's all about portions.
What we have is a 12-pack, and we're trying to fit it into a 6-pack, and we don't have enough space here.
So you tell me it's got a big butt and we can't fit it in the frame rails.
So we're going to have to take the cab off, set the motor in, and then put the cab back on, probably trim a little bit of the firewall, and then shorten the front side of the bed about 10 inches to make it work.
And I got to tell the customer this before we start?
So while your name's on the building.
I don't know if... Okay, so we're going to actually just...
We're gonna have to put the motor in, move the cab back, and then we're gonna have to section the front fenders and stretch them while we move the cab back.
Just so we can leave this in place.
And lengthen the hood so everything will
So the radiator is going to be sitting right where it
still in the
was.
same spot.
And then we got to shove all that in there.
Right.
All that.
Got to add to the fenders and the hood. And shorten the bed 10 inches. It's a work in progress.
We're contemplating the steering. We don't know if we're going to put racking, pinion, electric, your mama. We got no room. We got to come up with something real cool. Because at 100 miles an hour, we don't want them to crash it.
You think you'll go 100 in this?
Oh, I would. Why not?
Well, that's you.
He will. Oh, believe me, he will too. He'll get in it and go, yeah! Stomp on it and hope it all stays together.
If not, we'll blame it on Eric.
Yeah, we'll say Eric did it. He's the go-to blamer.
That's
the
right.
pizza boy!
You gotta own it.
He can
boy.
order pizza like
gotta own
nobody's
it.
business.
See where these holes are? We're supposed to be a steering going through there, but we have a motor and a manifold.
Somebody wanted a big motor.
So we can't fit anything in that little hole. That was our idea. So now we're going to have to rack our brains and put the box here, and we got to figure out the coilovers and torsion bars so that we can get it where it needs to be.
We're gonna take it out and paint this frame.
It's like a race car. We got to build it first.
Yeah. You gotta go out, Kenny. Huh? Yeah, I gotta get past this piece over here. Oh. Alright, come down.
There we go.
You gotta get it more in the middle. Well,
Can you take a message and tell them to put this way?
back down, come on in a little bit. Yeah, you gotta come out towards you, Kenny. Out towards you, yeah. Hold it there.
Something's hung up because it won't.
Come up, Kenny.
I'll go and take a message.
Okay, you gotta take the O2 sensor off.
It's a 7/8.
Yeah, you gotta come up, Kenny. It's gonna, yeah, when it comes out, it's gonna hit the frame. Up. Hold it right there. You go back towards. Down, Kenny. Down. Down. Down.
Gotta warm up, get the blood circulating, you know. I'm not 20 anymore.
Probably gonna lower it down.
Ready?
Yep. Go on with it. Alright. What are you doing? You're going down.
Hang on, I'm turning.
I thought you were the man.
Woo!
Take it off.
Yeah, see, Eric, if you would have held it up higher, we wouldn't have scratched anything.
Yeah. No, only the one on the curtain, not the one that goes into the heart. It's good.
Take two.
Gotta do some serious editing. Compound wobble.
You want to taco about it?
Every day's a challenge here at Bumbera's. We have Kenny as a boss.
Hours later. It's alright. Oh, the heat? Yeah. The heat? Alright, come back with it.
You come down even. Alright. Easy. Alright, come down with the jack.
Hey, you might want to let the chain fall out between it before you.
Like that?
It's on the front, the chain.
Whoa. That ain't funny when we doing this, dude. That's me. Woosahs.
You're slowing down. You're slowing me down.
I don't hear you, Riggs. I don't hear you, Riggs.
We have to doobie-dobby. We got to find the bolts and doobie-dobby it.
Doobie-dobby it. But you still got to find your nuts and your bolts.
Well, no, this ain't my project.
Yeah, it is.
I gave it to you.
I'm
You
here
just
to
don't
help
bolt
you.
it.
I'm not a mechanic, remember?
I'll get it.
No. You stay down because I know it's hard for you to get up and down. You're getting old.